Today we're going to talk about WordPress themes. So WordPress themes are things that you can use to enhance your site's overall look. So with WordPress themes, you can now customize your site's font, you can now change the layout of your page or your post, you can even change the color. And of course, anything that is related with the design and overall look and feel of your WordPress site, you can do it with WordPress themes. Now, of course, there are a lot of themes out there, both free and paid. Of course, the advantage of free is that you don't spend money. The advantage of getting paid or premium themes is that you always have a support staff who is there to help you out just in case your theme got into some sort of trouble, it's in conflict with another theme or something in your WordPress site, or if there are any issues, your site's not working well because of the theme. That support staff will be able to help you out and they're always available. So that's one advantage of the paid or the premium themes. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.